because I've always been a believer in God, yeah. And so for me, when I look at the universe, yeah, I look, and I remember being like an 11-year-old in class in my school, looking at the clouds going past in the sky, and thinking to myself, well, okay, it's very beautiful, but who made the clouds move? And then it'd be like, well, okay, I can explain, and then I could.
No one makes the clouds move. They do move because the atmosphere is constantly in turmoil.
I know, but then I was looking back. I understand. And so I thought to myself, well, I can explain it scientifically, like how you're going to do, you know.
Well, we can.
But then it was like, but then my question was, but what caused that chain of scientific causes and effects? And then let's take it back again. What caused that chain? And what caused that chain? And what caused that chain? And then what I found was that there was a.
Our brain is not big enough to contain.
Well, no, I think our brain is, because I think that what I saw was that there was just otherwise there would just be an infinite series of contingent causes and effects and events, which doesn't actually give you an answer.
No, it doesn't. There is no such thing as an answer.
Well, no, there is an answer, because
there are just more questions.
No, you can get an answer, because if you accept that everything in the universe is just a series of contingent causes and effects, then the answer is that there's a necessary being who doesn't require cause and effect, who's not dependent upon cause and effect, who brings this contingent universe into existence.
Unless you assume what I just said, the best thing to assume is that everything is, we are all part of one enormous entity. We are just a tiny fraction of it, a bundle of molecules.
We're all part of the contingent universe. We're all part of time, space, matter, energy. Yes, but there's something beyond this contingent universe. There's a necessary being that created the contingent universe.
I'll say one thing. All holy books have one thing in common.
Yeah.
And that is that no one's exactly sure when they were written. No one's exactly sure who wrote.
That's not correct with the Qur'an. We know who brought the Qur'an, and we know the period of time in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived.
Roughly, but not exactly.
We know.
You don't know exactly, because Muhammad was, by all reports, illiterate. But someone must have written it down for.
Well, this is why he had scribes who wrote down the Qur'an for him.
So he was invented.
Sorry.
So he was invented.
He is claiming, for sure, you can say, he is claiming to receive revelation from God. Yeah, verbatim revelation from God, which he then repeated to his companions, which they memorized and they wrote down. Now, you can say that either it's true, he did get it from God. You can say that he is an imposter,